and welcome back to Race 6 of the WGMR Rally. I'm your host Travis, and let's go ahead and introduce the rules. The better you finish, the more points your marble will get. If you fall off or get stuck, you get 0 points, and if you get beat by the pink ball, you also get 0 points. First will get 10, second 8, third 6, fourth 4, fifth will get 2, and 6th through 12th will get 1 point. Go ahead and choose your marble, as you cannot choose a different marble throughout the race. Now let's go ahead and go over our current scores after race 5. Currently in first, we have Heart of the Ocean at 256 points. Run 1. And it is Mint Chip coming in first place there with 10 points. 8 points go to Heart of the Ocean, 6 to Flamingo, 4 to Skunk, and 2 to Uranium. Run 2. And it is Lemon Drop coming in first there with 10 points. 8 to Creamsicle, 6 to Infinity, 4 to Waterfire, and 2 points going to Aqua. Run 3. And it's Lemon Drop with back-to-back wins. Coming in second there, we have Heart of the Ocean. In third, we have Aqua. Fourth, the Chiefs. And coming in fifth place there, we didn't have a fifth place because the pink ball beat everyone else. Run 4. It's Infinity coming in first place there with 10 points. 8 points go to Aqua, 6 to Flamingo, 4 to Heart of the Ocean, and 2 points go to Melon. Let's go ahead and take a look here at our current scores after run 4. Currently in first with 22 points, we have Lemon Drop. In second, we have Heart of the Ocean with 20 points, and in third, we have a tie at 17 with Infinity and Aqua. Run 5 is underway. And it's Skunk coming away with the victory there in run 5. In second there, we have Chiefs with 8, 6 points to Waterfire, 4 to Flamingo, and the last 2 points go to Creamsicle. Run 6. coming in first there is Aquamarine with 10 points. 8 points go to Mint Chip, 6 to Infinity, 4 to Melon, and 2 points going to the Chiefs. Run 7. And it was Flamingo who zoomed by all of them for a first place victory in 10 points. 8 to Mint Chip, 6 to Skunk, 4 to Aqua, and the last 2 go to Lemon Drop. Run 8. And it's Melon with a victory with 10 points. 8 points go to the Chiefs, 6 to Mint Chip, 4 to Skunk, and the last 2 go to Flamingo. Here are the scores after run 8. Currently in first with 34 points, we have Mint Chip. In second with 32, we have Aqua. And in third is Flamingo at 30 points. Run 9. The Chiefs are currently out in first, and they will get the victory finally. Big W there for the Chiefs. Coming in second was Waterfire. Third place, we have Melon with 6 points, 4 to Creamsicle, and the last 2 go to Flamingo. Run 10. Infinity going for his second win, and he gets it. Coming in second, we had Flamingo. In third with 6 points, we have Melon. 4 points to Creamsicle, and the last 2 to Lemon Drop. Here we go with run 11. And it's Mint Chip with the win with 10 points. 8 points go to Skunk, 6 to Creamsicle, 4 to Infinity, and the last 2 to Heart of the Ocean. This is the last run here in race 6, run number 12. Coming in first, we had Flamingo with 10 points. 8 points to Lemon Drop, 6 to Melon, 4 points to Waterfire, and the last 2 go to Aquamarine as the last marbles finish the race. That is the end of the race, folks. Here are the scores. Overall scores for today. First place, 50 points to Flamingo. Second place is 46 points to Mint Chip, 39 points to Lemon Drop, 39 for Infinity, and Skunk with 38. And your overall scores in order are Heart of the Ocean at 284, Lemon Drop 247, Skunk 243, Flamingo 230, Creamsicle 226, and Mint Chip at 216. Those are your top 6. And once again, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and slap that subscribe button. And thanks again for watching. And I will see you next Saturday for Race 7 of the World's Greatest Marble Race. Have a good night, and I will see you next time. Bye.